Excuse me.
Excuse me. There it is.
Honestly, I tell Miro this all the time. It's like,
Just expecting it when you're least prepared for it, and then
Oh my God, excuse me, this kombucha. Sorry, keep going.
Through this pandemic.
Oh my God, excuse me.
Oh, sorry, just slapped a blue in your face.
Let one rip.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
You're fucking gross, yo.
That was a little much.
Ew, gross. Dude, you're fucked.
It's the Coca-Cola.
You keep saying that.
Where they don't get to see each other's, so like
With the, excuse me, I'm a lady.
With the belchy Chris Statlander.
Sorry.
So the more that we open up,
Sorry. I had an apple prior to this. A little acidic.
up, or we need to change it.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Nice.
definitely. Pod, oh my God, Pod, imagine bots on a podcast.
I think I'll get a 5-hour energy.
And then I would like